everyone.
गधी तो ये रात को अपलोड करने वाली है.
Hi, so this is going to be a study vlog along with.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स, लोगों ने तो थंबनेल में पढ़ा ही नहीं होगा.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Devanshi.
वही सेम लाइन चिपका तू हर वीडियो में.
Let us just accept that I'm very bad at making intros and continue with this video. Thank you so much. So I'm having upma for breakfast, which I don't like, but I'm a good girl, so I'm going to have it. I'm going to get mango juice after having it. So I'm gonna read my newspaper now. Not my newspaper, the Hindu's newspaper, but yeah, you know what I mean. So I'll be reading the newspaper now. I actually avoid reading it in the mornings because I don't like it. My mood becomes really blah. But if I keep it for the afternoons or the evenings, then I postpone it further and I keep procrastinating, and then it just gets piled up. So I don't want that either. And mango juice is here, so it should not be that bad. Let's get done with it. It's gonna take me around 1.5 hours. So yeah. This is the problem with LR. In one I'll be scoring 5 out of 5. In another passage I'll be scoring 0 out of 5. Wow. So after 1.5 hours of newspaper reading and 1.5 hours of logical reasoning, solving questions, I'm just gonna lie down in my bed like I have no agenda howsoever in life. So yeah. After so many days, I decided to set up my desk, and I did. And now that I have set up my desk, my bed is a mess. I mean, wow, I'm impossible. So anyway, I just took a shower and I look really sick without chashma. Yeah, no improvement howsoever. Anyway, I took a good shower and then I'm going to revise a class and then I'll see you. The thing is, internet connection in my room is just pathetic. I mean, pathetic is the word and it is irritating me so much. मतलब last 5 minutes से यही चल रहा है, पेज लोड ही नहीं हो रहा है. बंदा क्लास ओपन करके देखेगा कैसे भाई? So my class went on for around 45 minutes. I mean, it was a 1 hour 30 minutes class, but since I was revising it, I doubled up the speed. Then I slept and I overslept, and that's why I'm like I'm always like that. Anyway, now what shall we do? We should have chai. Come. Hi, welcome to my mama's kitchen. Now we're gonna make some chai. चाय, ये है ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारा, और अब हम चाय पियेंगे. मुझे तुम लोग से एक ओपिनियन चाहिए, मतलब ओपिनियन ही बोलते ना, फीडबैक. और यार लाइट को बंद करके आती हूँ.
लेट मी जस्ट प्लेस यू देयर. सो मुझे तुम लोग से ये ओपिनियन चाहिए था कि जैसे कि मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं दिखाती हूँ, मैं तुम्हें इधर उधर भी काफ़ी बकवास दिखा देती हूँ. तो उप्स तो उसमें तुम लोग को अगर मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है और अगर चाहते हो कि मैं सिर्फ स्टडी व्लॉग, सो आई शुड कीप इट ओनली टू स्टडिंग, देन आई कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. बट एक्चुअली ऐसा था ना कि काफ़ी मोनोटनस हो जाता. मतलब क्या वही दिखाऊँ मैं कि ये पढ़ रही हूँ, इसके बाद ये पढ़ रही हूँ, उसके बाद ये पढ़ रही हूँ और ख़त्म. So that is why I have tried to keep it more candid. So if you guys are liking it, I'll continue this way. Otherwise मैं सिर्फ proper study vlogs भी बना सकती हूँ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ठीक है. वाह, इससे वाहियात चाय मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं बनाई है.
सो अभी हम करेंगे थोड़ी सी क्यूटी प्रैक्टिस. सॉरी, और ये तो उल्टा ही दिखेगा. I haven't practiced QT, that is quantitative techniques for people who are not appearing for CLAT, and I'm pretty sure they don't watch my channel. But yeah, so QT मैंने last 6 to 7 days में एक बार भी practice नहीं की है, which is terrible, horrible, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है, आज कर लेते हैं. एंड मैथ्स में वैसे भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा महान हूँ, so I don't really want to lose touch. Because I have seen this, practically, not only in the case of studies, but otherwise also. Like, I'm a classical dancer, so I have been trained in Odissi dance for almost 10 years of my life, and now that I have lost touch, I have really become bad at dancing. I mean, I was never really great, but I used to do a fair job because obviously years of experience. But then now that I have lost touch, I'm like, simple steps करने में मुझे problem होती है. So never lose touch. Yeah, I sound like a teacher. So while solving maths, my mom got me butta. So a little story time here. I have been to very few places in my life. I've just outside Odisha. I've just been to Pondicherry, Kolkata, Silchar, that's in Assam. And if any of my viewers are from these places, please send me a hi. I would love to know. And the last one is Mumbai. So I went to Mumbai when I was in fourth standard summer vacation, and we stayed there for because my brother was my cousin brother, he was working there, so we stayed at his apartment, and we were 10 people, and we were named Daska group by all the tourist guides over there, because we were 10 to 11 people, and yeah, so it was very funny. And one of my best memories from Mumbai was this butta, and I think it was in Chowpatty. I think it was in Juhu Chowpatty. I don't really remember. I was it has been a long time, but I really loved the butta over there, and the days I spent in Mumbai, I really liked. I really cherished that period of time, and we stayed for, I feel, more than a week, and I really loved my experience in Mumbai. I would love to go there sometime again. So yeah, just a little something I wanted to share. यार मतलब ये पिंपल्स का सिलसिला तो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. There was a time जब मैं when I was just entering my teens, जब मैं 13-14 years की 12-13 years की थी, तो मैं स्कूल को कभी कभी मेकअप भी लगा के चली जाती थी. काजल तो मस्ट था मेरे लिए, और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हो सकता है तो मैं अपनी स्कूल की कोई फ़ोटो भी यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी. और मैं कभी कभी ऐसे पाउडर भी लगा देती थी, फेस पाउडर, कभी कभी थोड़ा हल्का सा ऐसे लाइट कलर लिपस्टिक भी लगाती थी. तो आई यूज़ टू, कभी कभी टीचर से डांट भी पड़ गई उस चक्कर में, बट तभी मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. नेवर हैड एक्ने प्रॉब्लम, पिंपल्स प्रॉब्लम. अभी जब मैं अपने फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाती हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं, तब ये भाई साहब आके भंगड़ा कर रहे हैं सारे. एनीवे, दैट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. हमने क्यूटी प्रैक्टिस कर लिया है, प्रैक्टिस कर लिया है 1.5 आवर्स के लिए, और अच्छी खासी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है. थोड़ा हमने गड़बड़ किया बीच में, बट ठीक है, वी आर बैक ऑन ट्रैक एंड वी आर फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. और अभी देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्या पढ़ेंगे, सोचते हैं. I was walking a bit, so that is why all sweaty and shiny. But I'm gonna solve previous year papers now. I'm not really gonna solve, but I just go through it once in a while, because although pattern has changed, but I somewhere feel that it's always a good idea to go through the previous year papers, because they give you some clue as in what to expect. And especially the English section has always been a comprehension based section, so I practice that at least. So yeah. चश्मा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो गया है, पता नहीं पता चल रहा कि नहीं, बट इट वॉज वे टू एक्सपेंसिव फॉर लाइक आवर फैमिली यार. सो आई डोंट नो, आई विल हैव टू कंटिन्यू विद दिस. अभी लॉकडाउन में मतलब कहाँ से भी मैं कुछ करूँ, पहनने में थोड़ी बहुत परेशानी हो रही है, बट इट्स ओके. सोचो आई सैट ऑन इट. बट एनी वे, एक चीज़ मेरे को मतलब बोलनी थी, मैंने सोचा था मैं बोलूँगी. मैं जब अपनी यूट्यूब एल्गोरिदम से, सॉरी मम्मा न्यूज़ देख रही हैं, आई एम टू लेजी टू वॉक अप एंड देन क्लोज द डोर, सो प्लीज़ टॉलरेट दिस लेजी पर्सन हियर. सो मैं जब अपनी यूट्यूब एल्गोरिदम्स देखती हूँ, आई सी दैट माई वॉच टाइम is much more from the people who have not subscribed to my channel, and it's actually comparatively lesser uh, with the people who have subscribed to my channel. So there are a lot of people who are watching my videos like they're watching my videos completely and for a longer duration, but they are not subscribing to my channel. So if you're one of them, और अगर आपको मज़ा आ रहा है मेरे वीडियोज़ में, अगर थोड़ा भी अच्छा लग रहा है, then please subscribe to my channel and it would mean a lot to me. It's absolutely free. You don't have to do anything. Just click a button and it's as simple as that. It's not about me, but it's about must angle. It's about every creator, every creator who is at my level or maybe a little better than me, or maybe at 200 or 300 or even 150 subscribers. They create, they're giving a lot of effort to their channel, and at this stage, my audience, the people who have subscribed, the people who are wanting to stick in this journey with me, they mean a lot to me, because whatever I'm creating, it's completely just, I'm not getting anything for it. I've not received any brand sponsorships, obviously, because I'm a very very small YouTuber now, and my channel is even not monetized. But still, from the past 11 months, I have been inconsistent, but I'm making a lot of videos. And also I have seen other people who put in a lot of hard work into their channel. So the only little thing, if you like their content, is you can just subscribe to their channel, and it would mean a lot to them. I'm not just talking about myself, but even other people around. So yeah. Hi. So मैं भी डिनर कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ खिचड़ी विद देसी घी विद आलू और बैंगन का, what do you call it, भरता काइंड ऑफ. सो आई थिंक दिस वॉज इट फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 10 बज चुके हैं. तो मैं अभी खाना खाऊंगी, उसके बाद एडिट करना पड़ेगा. एडिट करने में थोड़ा मेरे को टाइम लग जाता है, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं आता सही से. तो उसके बाद अपलोड करना पड़ेगा, तो 12 बजे के बाद अपलोड करूँगी, तो चांसेस है कि मेजॉरिटी लोग नहीं देखेंगे. सो आई थिंक दिस वॉज इट फॉर टुडेज़ व्लॉग, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी, फॉर वॉचिंग दिस video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Subscribe now. Thank you. Bye.